list in Python. List is a special data structure. We can hold multiple values at the सेम अमाउंट ऑफ अ टाइम, यानी एक ही टाइम पे एक साथ मल्टीपल वैल्यूज को स्टोर कर सकता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर मैं कहता हूँ A1 and this is a symbol of a string, this capital bracket, and if you mention like A1 bracket then it become a string. अच्छा, ये भी मैं आपको बता दूं, थोड़ा सा जस्ट रिमाइंड करा रहा हूं कि लिस्ट के अंदर और ये सिंबल्स, इनका बड़ा ही इंपॉर्टेंट मीनिंग है. अभी मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगा कि ये किस तरीके से सॉरी ये किस तरीके से वर्क करते हैं. अगर आप लिस्ट क्रिएट कर रहे हैं तो जस्ट यूज दिस बिग ब्रैकेट. आप इन्हें मैथमेटिकली कहेंगे स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट, तो इट इज अ स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट. दिस इज अ सिंटैक्स. whatever the value we want in a list, we will put here. For example, I want uh, information of a book. First, the name of the book. For example, name of the book, uh, Python book. This is the name of the book. Now I will add the price of this book. For example, price is 450 rupees. Now I will add the publisher. For example, publisher name is Willy. Willy is a famous publisher uh, of America. So we added the name of a Willy as a publisher. Then I will. You can add any other thing. For example, page number. Uh, 320 pages are there in this particular book. So I added various kind of information. This is a string actually, then integer number, then string, then integer. Even you can add decimal value. For example, book price is 450 rupees and 50 paise. Okay, so this is a example of a list. What is the purpose? Observe carefully. List can store multiple numbers at a time. Okay, now what if you want to print a particular value? Okay, observe carefully again. Similarly, like string, list also stored on index values. Okay, you have to remember the power of indexing. With the help of indexing, we can get any value instantly by mentioning the index of that number. For example, what I am saying, at index 0, just making the this rectangle more proper way. So giving you another try. Now, for example, this is a 0, this is a 1, and this is a 2, and this is a 3. Okay, indexing. Remember the term indexing. Indexing means positioning. So Python book will store at 0th position. A1 is the name of this list, and Python book will store here Python book. Then 450.50 will store here. Then Willy will store here. Willy will store here, and again 320 would store here. Now observe. For example, if I print if I print A1, observe, if I print A1 bracket 0, then it's mean I'm printing the value of A1 very similar to string as well. Okay. Look, observe what is at zero index Python book and observe this figure. What is at index 3?
320.
320. So count carefully. The answer would be Python book and
320.
320. So I will run the program and I get the output Python book and 320.